Thank you so much, guys, for your time for being here to learn CapCut basics with me and Jam with tailored fit social media. Yeah, why CapCut basics? Welcome to this tutorial kasi nga, uh, why CapCut? Kasi CapCut is editing application na recently became available sa PC and mobile. And ayun, it allows user to edit and create something or create some stunning videos with easy steps. Very easy, sobrang easy niya. Way back before, ang ginagamit kong editing tool is Filmora. But for some reason, I stopped using it kasi it's a paid app and it's not available for everyone. And ayun, it's a good application. It's just that, ayun nga lang, paid. So, purpose ng presentation nito is give you a comprehensive introduction to CapCut, including how to get started and basic editing techniques lang naman. So, papakita ko lang sa inyo some of its advanced feature and cover some tips and tricks along the way. So, ayun. Let me start sharing my CapCut. Before what I usually do before ako maging SMM or video content creator or video editor, what I always do is I love watching motivation videos. So today, as an example, ay yung gagawin natin. So ito yung kinreate ko for the examples that we're going to make today. So papakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung final product.
Ay, tuturo natin the purposing ba?
Yes, for
Okay.
repurposing ang ano natin kasi most of the time ang job responsibilities ko kay Jam is that I repurpose his videos for the client's videos, and then this is something that might be come in handy when kapag nagkaroon na kayo ng clients lalo na overseas or um ayun, international
But it's not
clients.
kasi guys, ano talaga, content repurposing. Lahat ng hinahanap nila content repurposing ngayon. So this is something we need to learn.
Yes. So ayun, lalo na kay Jam, puro almost at least just one client lang yung isang local namin na yun, ginagamitan namin ng CapCut. So most of the time, ano talaga, international clients talaga, which is, 'di ba, big time. And big time yan si Jam, char. Anyway, I'll show you my example. So, if may questions kayo, later on may Q&A tayo.
Comment example if you're ready for the example. Comment example. Hello sa mga bagong pasok. Oh, ayan, may nag-comment ng example. Come on.
Okay,
Comment
that's good.
example.
Okay. Ito.
Working hard for something we don't care about is called stress. Working
All right,
hard.
let me just show me. Okay, ready guys? I'm just gonna play it.
Working hard for something we don't care about is called stress. Working hard for something we love is called passion.
Diba? It's an easy reel. Almost 9 seconds or almost 10 seconds lang siya. So most of the time, what we can see here is the subtitles or yan. Ayun yung usual ginagawa natin for our clients. To do this, what we're gonna need to do is download the application. It's just available through internet. It's just for free.
Libre yan, guys.
Yeah, it's just for free, and it's a powerful tool na pwede niyong gamitin. Just in case in the future na ayun, video editing niche ang tahakin yung role. But since you're here, I'm happy to share my knowledge and my learnings with CapCut.
Pero background lang guys si Erwin nung unang panahon, tawag dito, nung pumasok siya sa akin, yun nga, Filmora lang siya. Pero
Yes.
sabi ko, kailangan mo mag-CapCut kasi ginagamit ko CapCut, wala siyang choice. Ito tuloy yung CapCut. Ibig sabihin, guys, for self-learning, kayang-kaya kasi andun talaga lahat.
Yes. And ayun nga, as I mentioned, it's really easy to use. If magta-transition ka from another video editing tool, it's very smooth lang yung transition ko pagdating sa CapCut. So,
Yeah.
ayan. So, ayun, starting off with the creatives or the assets. Ang assets na gagamitin natin is a YouTube video na dinownload ko lang. If may questions kayo about how to download, just let me know and I'll share it to you. So, so far, ito, yung assets na gagamitin natin. It's a video, almost 10-minute video ata, if I'm not mistaken. So, ayun. Our objective is ikakat lang natin siya sa specific part na yun to get that highlight part using CapCut. So, all right, let's start. Here you can see the startup window ni CapCut once you open the application. And if you're going to create a project, just select new project and it will take you right away sa editing panels. Okay. There. Now you can see that the different panels of CapCut. It's looks confusing at first, pero sobrang dali lang to, guys. So first of all, what I do whenever I'm repurposing a video is change the file name kung ano yung para hindi kayo maguguluhan when saving the file. So for example, this is Simon Sinek motivation video. Okay, and depende kung ano yung frame rate mo, the higher, the mas maganda yung quality, but it will take up some GPU or graphics card power from from your PC. So if you have a good higher graphics card or better PC, I would suggest 60 FPS, uh, but this is just motivational. Okay lang yung 30 FPS. So ayun, you just have to save it and may name na siya. And next is what we're gonna do is import the assets na gagamitin natin for the motivational video natin. Okay? You can just drag and drop, or you can import it from the plus import here, and then look for the file that you want. But ayun, open mo lang and then it will just go right there. Pero para sa akin, it's much easier to open the folder file, assets file, and then just drag and drop. At least may overview ka kung ano yung nakikita mo. Okay, so next step is once you've added all of the assets na kailangan, what I do is I always conceptualize kung ano yung gusto ko ipakita sa audience. And first ang gagawin ko is ano ba kailangan ko for the client? Ano ba specific na hinahanap ni client? So, pag Facebook post, what I normally do is I make sure muna kung ano yung kailangan natin gagawin. For example, is it reels, short form videos, or is it for a Facebook post? So in this case, it's just a 9-second video or almost 10 seconds. I think it is good for reels or short form videos. So I'm going to pick the aspect ratio of the reels. In here, you can see kapag nag-drop ka ng assets sa timeline, what will happen is that you will have access to this aspect ratio. And you can see here the aspect ratio, it's 9:6, and 1:1, and many more. It has different uses. Like for example, for reels, 9:6 usually ginagamit namin. And for Facebook posts, you can use 4:3, 3:4, or 1:1. Depende kung ano yung ni-require ni client or ano yung mas maganda tingnan. Ganun. But for this example, I think it would be great if 9x6 kasi it's just a short form video na gagawin natin. And it's good for Reels, TikTok, and short form videos of YT. So yeah. And as you can see, ano siya, medyo mano yung file niya. I mean yung image niya. What you can do is you can just maximize or i-zoom in, palakihin yung file using these borders. And yun, just make it fit the screen para magmukha siyang maganda. Right now, so what I did is na-conceptualize ko na kung ano yung gusto kong ipakita. Usually, by the way, guys, best practices na best practices na I can give a tip for you is almost every time na mag-edit kayo ng video, what I would do or what I would recommend is kailangan mo siyang yung kunyari for example, may assets na bibigay sa'yo si client, you really have to take time to watch the full video in order for you to conceptualize what you want to share to the audience yung message ng specific file na yun. So, ayun. It's really something na best practices na I came up with. So, yeah, as a video editor, kailangan mo siyang gawin every time na may gagawin kayong project. Okay, so right now, we will just look for the part na yung gusto nating ipakita or ipakita sa audience, ganun. So right now, let's just find that part. What I do is control and scroll up for zooming in the timeline, or you can use this part. But for me, control and then scroll wheel of your mouse to just ayan. Para mas better look ka or in-depth guideline when it comes to the timeline.
I talk about it all the time.
All right, so.
And I'm tired of listening to CEOs saying.
All right, so here is the part that we need. Right now, let me just play it just to make sure that we're going to use that specific part or tama yung part na yun.
Working hard for something we don't care about is called stress. Working hard for something we love is called passion. And I'm tired of listening to CEOs saying.
So for now, nakita ko na kung ano yung kailangan ko. What I'm going to do is Control B or cut, or you can use this split button from the left part here, or just in case na may questions kayo when it comes to shortcuts, guys, it's so easy. Right here, you can see, you can click menu and then go to help, then shortcut. Dito makikita nyo kung ano yung mga shortcuts na kailangan nyo para, alam mo yun, hindi nyo na pipindutin or every time na hahanapin nyo pa siya. So here is the help guide or shortcut guide for Capcut. There. It's really easy to use, and then makikita nyo dyan kung paano siya gamitin. Okay, going back. For in my case, what I'm going to do is split the video. I'll use Control B and then go to the part na hanggang saan yung gusto ko.
Is called stress. Working hard for something we love is called passion. And I'm tired of listening.
Okay. So for this part, magpapasobra lang ako just in case. Yeah. And then from there, I have the assets that I'm going to need. And what I'm going to do is delete the part that I don't need. Kasi hindi natin siya kailangan. Parang siya. Joke. Okay, so now that we have the assets that we need, what we're going to do is make sure if aligned ba si asset sa ratio na gagamitin natin. Like for example, 9x6, aligned ba siya? Unfortunately, at this part, naka-zoom in siya. as you can see. And what I'm going to do is, kapag ginanyan ko siya, pwede din naman, pero may part dito na unused. Like for example, this one. It's just a black bar na dito sa part na to. What I'm going to do instead is, since it's just a 9-second motivational lyric, it doesn't really need to have that much of cheche bureche, like example title. Nandun na kailangan, kumbaga, yung auto caption na yung bahala mag-provide ko ano yung message na kailangan i-show kay audience. So, I'll just zoom in for the sake of the tutorial. So right now, and I have ito, by the way, this part, most likely we still may be needing it, but what we can do here is we can just drag it here, and then I'll just silent this kasi itong part na to di na kailangan. To control the volume, by the way, ayan, you can just go up and down, or you can it's really important din pala. To control the volume, what you can do is click on the timeline of the video of that you want to edit, or edit the audio, and then click audio right here in the right part. Right part. Anyway, so yeah, you can adjust the volume settings according to your liking. Yeah, volume down, volume up. But this is standard 0. And by the way, yan, you can use this noise cancellation pala. For example, may mga background noise usually most of the time yung yung mga binibigay ni clients na assets. So what I do most of the time, yun, I hit noise reduction for para mas maganda yung mas maganda yung sound. Then from there, I'll just cut the unwanted part kasi ito, part na to parang wala na masyadong papakita. And then I'll just remove the volume of that one. Okay. So next part is what we're going to do is we have to add the subtitles. And for the subtitle, super easy ni Capcut kasi it has a auto captions function, which which is really helpful. But take note that it's most of the time, no, halos every time English lang yung pwede. So if you have a Tagalog, you may have to manually input it using add text. So but for this case, since it's an English one, it's just easy. Si AI na bahala, or CapCut AI na yung bahalang mag-generate that for you. So let's click text and then auto captions, and then from here you can see here depending on the language, but for this case it's English, so we'll hit create and it will auto create the captions na nade-detect sa video. I wouldn't rely much on auto captions kasi sometimes merong mga part na nami-misinterpret ni AI, ni CapCut AI. So you always have to proofread. You always have to proofread the captions that you're going to to publish. So yeah. And then from there, makikita nyo na once na create na siya, it will be added right here. Yan. Okay. But if you can see, it's very, very small and we don't see the captions at all. What we're going to do is, okay, let me just double check. Yeah. You can see here the captions na generate ni AI. And yeah, what we're going to do is you can just edit it through here sa text. Then you can see, yan. May nakalagay dito, apply to all. So in order for us to make sure that it is visible to each of subtitle, you have to make sure that apply to all muna. And then, you will have to pick the font style that you're going to use and what looks better. Yan. So, in this case, para sa akin, I want this font style, the bold font 2022. It's just a downloadable font. And then I will increase the font size to 15. Yan, para makikita. And then, may mga preset styles na dito that you can use. But for this part, I think it would be best para, ayun, meron siya at least somehow may, ano siya, may stroke yung mga ano niya. May stroke yung mga words niya. So, I'll just be going to use this default preset style. But if you want your own style, meron dito mga part na, ayan, like for example, you can adjust it depending on your thickness. Yan, pwede mo siya i-manually adjust with as well as the color. If you want a background for that specific caption, you can do that. But ayan, background, color, stroke, and then blend opacity, shadows. Yan. But for me, what I always rely on is just the preset style. Okay na yun para sa akin. So, I'll start here. I'll just use this preset style. Yan. Kasi okay naman na siya. Maganda naman na tingnan. So, and then from there, what we're going to do is, if okay na, make sure na naka-align na to. You can align as well the subtitles or captions just by dragging it from the video. Ayan. So, from there, what I'm going to do is, most of the time, hindi binabasa ni reader or yung audience yung, ito tip lang, hindi binabasa ni audience yung subtitle kapag sobrang haba. So, what I usually do is, make it at least one-liner na caption. So, what I'm going to do, I'll go back to captions from text, and then I'll go back to captions. And then, I'll just delete the part where yung mga letters na hindi kailangan. For example, didelete ko yung part na, yan, itong part na to, yung space. And then, I'll just hit enter. And it'll be automatically moved sa next na captions. So, yeah, let's start on working on that. Yan. Yan. We don't care about, okay, I think it would be better if...
Nagawa ko lagi yan kasi may mga editor na hindi binabasa yung auto-generated.
Yes. Yeah. Care about...
Matalas mata ko sa ganyan, guys. Sobra.
Lalo na sa keyframes. Yan. For this part to, parang, as you can see, hindi siya nag-generate. I mean, hindi na-apply to all. Siguro may part na hindi ko na-apply to all. So, let's get back to that. Okay. Apply to all, and then, yeah. Let's see if every word has been applied. I mean, every word na apply yung preset style na pinili natin. So, ayan. Okay, na-apply naman. So, what we're just going to do is make it a one-liner. This one, I don't think we need this. What we can do is just select it and then just delete that part.
Working hard.
Guys, baka may questions kayo or masyado tayong mabilis, pero let me know. Jam, let me know kasi hindi ko nakabasa yung chat section. Yan. Alright.
Sasalita naman kami sa chat section, di ba? Comment chat if you are still okay. Comment chat, guys.
You okay yourself, guys.
Yes. Hindi kayo magpupush na hindi kayo nagko-comment ng chat. Are you learning?
Are you guys learning?
Walkthrough to, guys, ha? Walkthrough to. May recording to sa mga nanonood pa ng recording. Baka naman gusto yung sumali sa totoong session, di ba? Kaloka. Ayan. Okay.
Okay, that's good, good, good. Okay. Alright, so going back, where were we? Okay, so nagawa na natin ang ang objective natin, which is make it a one-liner for the audience to be more engaged kasi ayun yung most of the time na gusto ni audience. Now, let's work on the highlights. Starting here, it's important for you to zoom in on the timeline para makita mo yung audio ng sinasabi. So what we're going to do is zoom in on that, and then you can see here from the bottom part, may mga timelines na, like for example this one, timelines or audio timelines, makikita mo umaakyat, bumababa siya. So doon ka magbe-base, pero at the same time papakinggan mo kung ano yung sinasabi niya, and then I'm going to manually cut the captions or manually cut the part na kung ano lang yung sinasabi niya. Like for example,
Working
yan. Sinabi niya is working. What we're going to do is that we are going to split. We're going to split the captions into two. Kasi it's just a two word, and then we're going to split it into two. Okay. And then from here, it's important na you're making sure that it's aligned with what the video is saying. And ayan. So makikita niyo dito sa caption, dalawa na siya. But it's okay kasi may specific timeline lang siya na magpapakita. Like for example, yan, working hard, pero hindi siya makikita, but you'll know when you add another preset style. Like for example, I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay. So it's important when you're making sure which specific word na babasahin ni audience, you have to click apply to all para hindi siya ma-apply to all. Kasi if naka-ano yan, siya, ma-apply yung preset style to all of the captions. So make sure to hit that button or uncheck it. And then we're going to work on the captions itself to define kung ano yung sinasabi. For this part, what we're going to use is just this yellow part. Yan. Okay. So working, and then sinabi dito hard, and then from here, we'll click on hard, just hard, and you just have to double click on that and then change the presets style. And same goes for something. And
for something we do.
okay,
For something.
Okay, nag-start siya dito na 4, and then I'm going to split it. And then I'll change this to yellow. 4 something. And 4, and then something. And then add the preset style. So it's
manual mo pala ginagawa yan?
Yes.
Alam mo kasi guys, may ginagamit akong app dati pero paid siya, mahal. Descript yung pangalan, may automatic siyang ganun, yung nag-highlight.
Oo, you can use
Pero
that.
kasi nahanap ko siya nandun ako sa Capcut, walang ganun. So manual pala ginagawa. Okay.
Pero it's just easy. Once you get the hang of it, it's actually fun. Na alam mo yun, parang mas maganda tingnan yung mas maganda tingnan yung captions mo. But you can just do this easily sa Capcut, di ba? For free.
Tinapon ko rin yung script nung nakilala ko si Capcut.
Ayun. It's actually fun. So, yeah. It's going to look like this.
Working hard for something we don't.
Yeah, di ba? For something, nag-change na siya. But at this part ito, nag-generate siya ng hindi aligned sa audio.
We don't.
Okay. For something, okay, we don't. Split natin siya. Again.
Don't.
Okay. Care about. Split. Same applies to all. Just make sure guys na i-hit nyo tong captions mismo. Kasi kapag in-split mo siya, yan, siya yung may split. Kapag hindi siya nakaklik, ang may split is yung video. Ayan, no? So, I'll just Control Z to undo. Yan.
is called
And is called stress.
stress.
And let's just apply it to each and every captions.
Working hard for something we
okay. Like for example, dito na naman nag-ano siya, hindi siya aligned. What we're going to do is just drag it.
Something we
Okay. Masyado pang mahaba. We
love is called.
Okay. I think on this part, we love is okay na din siya. Okay na din. Yan. Let's start again from where we left off to change the color or something. We don't. Okay. Then captions and dito kayo magbe-base pala. And para mas precise, but ako kasi medyo nasanay na ako sa ganun. Then yan. Hit we and then hit the preset style that you want and then don't. Yan. Care about there. Do you guys get it? Nagigets niyo yung niche? I mean yung yung gist
Comment
kung paano
get
siya
it
gawin.
if you get it.
Yeah,
comment get it. Ang tagal ng get it? Ano ba yan? Ayan, very good children.
That's good.
Very good,
Ayan.
very good.
Yan. That's good. It's called stress. Okay.
Ang dami natin dito.
Let's just apply. Isipin nyo, 9 second lang to pero ang trabaho. Pero masasanay
In
din kayo.
short, nagreklamo sa akin si Erwin.
No.
Niya sa akin na
I'm actually enjoying learning all of this way back before. It's actually fun. I mean, it's an asset once you learned it, di ba? I mean, pag mapakita mo to kay client, wow, kaya niya yun. So, yeah, it's something.
Called portfolio. Yes. You can create one.
Yeah.
Sarili
pwede
nyo,
na
di ba,
gumawa.
Dayan?
Yeah, oo.
You create for yourself.
called
You record yourself.
Yeah, that can also work. You can create your own portfolio by using motivational videos or any type of niche na ayun na applicable sa inyo. Yeah, stress. Okay, working hard. So click working and then preset style, and then hard. Yeah, same goes to everything. For something we love. Is cold. So medyo malayo nga lang yung is. Okay lang yon. Is cold. Okay, dito sa part yung is. Okay. Like for this one, nagkaroon tayong error when it comes to this. Na ano din yung love. What you can just do is just select the love and use the preset style na hindi na siya kailangan.
We love is called.
Diba? Okay. Cold passion. Cold, preset, and then passion. Okay, so we have everything. Now, what we're going to do is make it a little bit more catchy. What I mean by that is, hate ni audience na parang walang background music. Napansin natin yun. Mapapansin nyo yun. So, I have here a music that we can use. It's added na. So you can use your own music. But sometimes before kayo mag-make ng video, it's important to get the music first para makita mo yung beat kung saan mo siya ipapasok. So just another tip. But since this is just motivational, it's just easy. Like for example, ito. Lalagay ko siya sa timeline. Yan. But dito ko siya nalagay kasi
music.
yeah. For music, I always make sure that it's not copyrighted. So most of the time it just I usually get music from YouTube, but I will type in the no royalty free music or no copyright background music, something like that. You have to make sure na walang copyrights para kapag pag pinost na sa page, hindi ka maka-copyright ban.
Pero don't
So,
worry also guys, cause CapCut has music also.
yeah.
Ayun,
Speaking of that, you can see here, you can see that audio, default audio. It's just limited, but it is somehow workable. So some of the videos dito ako din ako kumukuha. Yan. Dito.
Actually, pwede ka mag-insert ata ng TikTok music. Pindutin mo yung TikTok sa left.
Okay.
It can allow.
I tried this pero parang
Ako din pero parang hindi siya nag-work sa akin.
Oo, hindi siya nagwo-work. Ang weird lang din. Once na maano, ayun, ganyan lang siya.
I think it will be based on your saved music. Dapat mag-save ka ng music from TikTok. Tapos lalabas dyan.
Yeah.
Paano
I haven't
mag-DNF
tackled that.
YT kukuha? Ang gagawin mo lang, ito-type mo lang sa Google ang YouTube to MP3 online downloader. Lalabas na dyan. Ika-copy and paste mo lang yung link.
Alright, so yeah. When for that, what I can just do is like for example, this is the YouTube music na napili ko. Ayan. What I usually just do is just click on the YouTube part of the URL and just add PI.
May ganun pala.
Then ayan, you can just click on the audio and just convert it and download. Minsan may ads, minsan wala, pero ayan, mako-convert na siya, automatic download na siya. Just add PI sa YouTube after YouTube, and then yun, automatic na siya ganun. But you can also use YT to MP3, yan. And then you just have to paste here the YouTube link and then convert it.
PI daw ba? PI?
PI, yeah. Papa India.
After YouTube, YouTubePI.com.
Yes. So
you try it, guys. You try it right now in your browser.
Yun. So going back. And for YT to MP3, and same lang din. You just have to click here if you're going to need the MP3 or just the whole video, just choose MP4 and then convert. Then that goes about it. Ayun lang naman. Pero sometimes may mga problem yung mga servers na yun. So going back and forth ako kung ano yung mas gumagana. Kasi minsan, pag nagda-download ka, sobrang bagal niya. So, ibig sabihin, mataas yung traffic ng
ano daw mag-royalty free.
Magbayad ka ng copyright mo. Ayan. Ayan. So, okay guys. Do you get ba? Do you get it? Nice ba?
Comment get it if you get it. Comment
diba?
get
Easy,
it.
diba?
Pwede ba, yung nilalagay mo sa ibabaw ng kay Ivy na overlay na box? Pwede ba yun?
Yeah, border templates. Yeah, that is something that I usually do with Canva. So,
Canva mo nilalagay. Alam mo kasi ang downside lang ni Capcut, may mga feature na meron tawag dito, na meron si Final Cut Pro, kasi Final Cut Pro gamit ko, na wala si Capcut, such as adding other elements and overlaying it. Ito may overlay ng another video, pero overlaying like a solid shape.
A solid shape or background color. Ayun, wala siya. Ayun din yung nakita ko.
Wala siyang ganun.
So what I do is I create something out from Canva and then transfer it.
Template.
Import it. Naka-template na siya from Canva and then tsaka ko pa lang siya
Madami
ilalagay
namang workaround, guys. Madaming workaround. So it would be nice if Capcut can have that update, honestly.
Yeah. Like for example, gamit mo tayo ng border template.
Pakita sa client, baliw.
Okay.
Naka-non-disclose talaga ako sa client.
Okay, no problem. Okay. So we can just maybe tackle that for another time. But ayan, you can create a PNG image from Canva. And then, like for example, let's say nag-generate tayo ng paint. Nag-generate tayo ng solid color kay paint. let's make it yellow lang. Oh. And then save it as a PNG image from from tailored fit yan. Then and so makikita nyo ayan, nandito siya. And then like for example, ano lang to just for an example. This is kunyari may title siya. What you
ano mo dyan?
Oo, yan ganyan. Pwede mo siyang i-copy diyan and then makikita nyo pag dinrag nyo siya dito, naka siya, 'di ba? But what I usually do is just crop it. Like for example, most of the time, 'di ba, hindi naman rectangle 'yan. It's most of the time square. So what I'm going to do is crop it and then 'yan, i-resize mo lang siya kung ano yung kailangan mo. And then from there, pag na-resize mo siya, click save and then you just have to drag it. You can create na ano na. You can
So
create
pwede mo na liitin yan. Sige, palitan mo yung ano.
mm.
Yung mukha niya kasi zoom in masyado na ano.
Mm. Kaya pwedeng ganyan na siya. 'Di ba?
Ayan, oo. Kasi pwede mo ilagay sa ibabaw, guys, parang hook.
Oo,
Like,
hook.
one-liner na nakaka-hook na ano. Gets ka ba? Comment
Oo.
gets kung gets.
Alright. Like, sorry. So example ito. Let's create a new design. Simple ano lang. Simple design lang para ma-overview kayo para at least meron kayong magets yung knowledge na sinishare
I guess
natin.
pwede mo pakita yung kay Matt kasi naka-public naman siya sa ano.
Okay. Yeah. Yan. Yeah, for example, yan. Border template and download ko siya na buong PNG. And then what I'm going to do is naka-ano na siya, naka-resize na siya for specifically for reels. So it's a 9:16. Yan, ganyan siya. Okay, you got it, guys. Para mas okay. Gawa tayo ng sarili nating ano. 10:80. 10:80. Okay lang to. Ay, hindi, ano, 19, hindi. 10:080.
1920.
Yan, so ayan, parang same lang siya. What I'm going to do is just this. Yan.
Yan ay pag naka-CapCut ka, guys, ha?
Kapag naka-CapCut, you can just use
Pero
Canva. It's
pwede
just
pa na yung gamitin sa ibang ano. Work around yan, guys. Work around.
work around. Yan. And ano kayo magandang color? Let's just say parang bakit? No. And then add the text. Actually, kahit hindi na. Ano na lang. Text na lang. So, like for example, nag-isip ka ng ano, na title. One-liner or at least less than 7 words. Much better. Passion versus
Or pwede sabihin, are you really stressed? Ganon. Question mark.
Ayan, like for example. Are you really stressed? Yan. Yan. Kunyari, yan lang. Sample lang to, guys, So, I'm going to download
Alignment
it.
nung ano, nung dalawang spacing pa.
Ay.
Alam mo, client talaga.
Ay, sorry. Line spacing pala.
Masyadong ano, malaki yung gap. Guys, OC
Yan.
talaga ako sa ayan.
Oo, yan. And then, click download and then just download it as a PNG. Okay na yun. Let's save it somewhere here. Tailored fit yan. Yan. Okay, now we have the file. What we're just going to do is drag that to the media. Okay. So, ayan. Tanggalin na natin to kasi di natin siya kailangan. Then, you just have to drag it to the timeline and drag it through the entirety of the video. Pero makikita nyo, di ba, na ayan. Nakikita nyo na naka-block siya. So, what you can do is right-click, hit edit, and then crop. And then, you just adjust it. And then click confirm. Now, you have this. Yeah. Meron na siyang ano, meron na siyang border or parang like a hook para mababasa ni audience what's the video about. Yan, 'di ba? It's easy. Okay. So, right now, ayun lang naman. Maganda siyang gawin kasi every time na mababasa nila and so maano sila, ma-hook
Mapapanood
sila,
sila, mapapa-stop
papanoorin nila,
scrolling.
mapapa-stop scrolling sila kung to get to know what's the video about. Yan. Okay. So, what's next? Yeah, going back, nasaan na tayo? Adding music. Yun.
Audio.
Audio tayo. So, at this part, ito yung beat na naano ko. So far, na alam ko na yung beat eh. So, kasi nga pinakinggan ko na. What I'm going to do is go into the beat. Hanapin yung beat na kailangan ko. Ayan. Nakikita nyo kasi ayan dito. Na dito nag-ano na siya. Dito tumaas na siya. So, I'm going to split it and then delete that part. And then, I'm going back to the timeline and add it kung kailan siya applicable.
Passion.
Yan. And then, yan. Drag mo lang yung kailangan mo. Ayun na. Naka-ready na yung beat sa part na ano. But, the audio is so high. Like, for example, hindi na maririnig yung ano. What you could do is just click on the audio file and then adjust the volume. Yung accordingly sa kung ano yung bagay.
Something we love is called passion.
Okay, masyado siyang advanced. So, adjust lang natin. And masyado siyang mahina. Adjust natin to 15 na lang.
Love is called passion.
Para, yan. Adjust lang natin to para maganda tingnan.
Working hard for something we don't care about.
Guys, may nagagawa na tayo.
Working hard for something we love is called passion.
Diba? So, that's that. And then, I'll just remove the unwanted or unneeded part of the music and then there we have it. Ayun na yung timeline natin. Pero para sa akin, may something kulang. Since this is a motivational, I think it's good to add like some effects to it. Like for example, I want it to look more black and white kasi motivational siya. So you can check here sa filters to make it, in this example, what I want is black and white. So I'll just have to look for the black and white and ayun, apply natin siya. Kapag mag-add kayo ng filters, what you need to do is just go to filters and then choose the filter that you want. And for my case, yan, add filters and then yan, ganyan lang siya. Pero ayun nga lang, hindi nakita. Pero hindi nakita yung border template. Yan. So, I think okay na lang kahit wag na lang. Kasi naglagay pala tayo niyan. So, yan. So, yun lang naman. Okay na. So, ayan, no? Almost ready to ano na to. Ready to publish na to. We just have to export it. Like for example, ayan na, okay na. Have to make sure that always proofread. Or like, in my case, always to make sure that your video or wala nang ano, wala na.
Lagi nagagalit, di ba? Oh.
Yan. Para konti na lang yung revisions kung sakali. Make sure na tama lagi yung video kasi papagalitan kayo ni Jam. Char. De joke. Ayan. So, ayan. Let's play it to see of the
Comment
output that
ready
we have
muna if
created.
you're ready to watch the full video. Ready.
Ayan.
Comment ready. Nakakatakot pa naman ako magalit.
True. Okay, that's good. Let's go. Ayan, ready na daw. Okay, so let's play it. Para maganda, para may full screen natin. Here's our output.
Working hard for something we don't care about is called stress. Working hard for something we love is called passion.
Diba? Ang ganda, diba? Ready to publish na siya. So, ayan.
Like it, guys. You like it. Comment I like it if you like it. Comment I like it if you like it, guys.
May part lang na, may part lang na, yan. Okay na din pala.
O, diba? You like it. You like it. Oh. Marunong na kayo. Comment marunong if marunong ka na. I-ano mo na agad. I-download mo na agad yung Capcut, guys. I-download mo na agad yung Capcut. Sino dito ang gusto na magsimula si Erwin ng kanyang mini community pagdating sa editing? Ayan. Comment I do. Ayan. Kahit GC lang, guys. GC. No? Kahit GC lang. Oh, I do daw. Oh.
Wow, thank you, thank you.
Gumawa ka na ng ano. Gagawa ko ngayon. Wait lang. Telegram. Telegram ka ba, Erwin?
Yeah, I do have.
What tayo ng Telegram?
Wow, sure.
Kasi gagawa na si Erwin ng TikTok videos, di ba? Kung paano.
TikTok videos. No. I have TikTok, but what I do is
portfolio, huwag ka maarte, te.
yung TikTok ko, ginagamit ko for Dota. Yung Dota 2 content.
Gawa siyang bago. Erwin.
Wala akong no choice.
Erwin Tan, di ba?
Yes.
Okay. Jam. Bakla, para ba gumawa ng ano, te? Ng
GC sa Telegram. Ayun lang, hindi ko alam.
Bakla. Wait lang ha, hanapin ko. Alam mo naman ako, resourceful ako.
Sure, of course.
Create group. How? Copy invite link. May ganun ba? Ay, sama natin dito si ano, sino ba sama ko dito?
Real Talk Dark
Yeah.
Star.
Lagyan natin dito. Erwin's video editing group. Ayan. Gagawa si Erwin ng NAS.io. Di ba, Erwin, gagawa ka ng NAS.io?
Maybe in the future, why not?
In the future, overthinking ka na naman. Gagawa tayo today.
Grabe, Jam. Grabe ka naman. Huwag naman today.
Guys, ito
tayo tapos.
Ito yung link, guys. Join na kayo. You join yourself.
Yeah, you join yourself, guys.
Go join na ngayon.
Yeah, pag may questions you can just hit me up from there, and then yeah, I'm more than happy to share my knowledge.
Join na dyan, guys. So next week, so ganito, sino dito? Sino yung nandito last week? Sino yung mga nandito last week? Yung doon sa script writing na na session. Meron kaming script writing session last week eh. So sabi ko, based on what you've learned, create a script. Ayan. Or kung wala ka last week, guys, I need you to be able to create or record yourself. Like, why should I hire you? Ganun. So, hi, I'm Jam. I'm a video editor. You should hire me because blank. Ganon. So, after nun, edit it using Capcut. Yan ang assignment natin next week. Same time, sa Wednesday, 7 p.m. Clear? Clear ba?
Type
Less
1
than a minute video lang yun, guys. I-edit nyo. Clear ba? Using Capcut. Assignment yan ha. Comment clear kung clear, guys. Meron ng audience si Erwin. Meron ng 5. Meron ng 5.
Wait, pasok nga tayo. Yan.
Gagawa na rin ako ng NAS.io ni Erwin, di ba? Hindi, ikaw gumawa ng NAS.io, Erwin. Wala kang choice. Iko-connect natin yung Telegram mo dyan.
Yan.
Clear bang assignment, guys? Clear? Ayan, again, that is so Wednesday, 7 p.m. We are gonna check your assignments. Ayan, we are gonna check your assignments. Para marunong na kayo gumawa ng content for your clients, for yourself. Eh, maganda kasi yung combination ng scripting and ng
Video editing.
video editing. Oo. Para tawag dito, mas impactful yung video. Questions, baka may questions.
Yeah,
Guys,
let's
Q&A
Q&A.
with Q&A na tayo with Erwin, guys.
Mahihiyang magtanong. Kung may questions ba kayo?
Guys, questions na. While nandito si Erwin.
Also, by the way, guys, once you're finished with your assets or output, you just have to hit export. And then, just change the resolution according to your liking, and then the frame rate, format. You can also have the option to export it as an audio. Just click here, and it will generate both video and audio part lang. Yun lang, and then click hit export, and then automatically it will, boom, open folder, and you can view it na.
Hindi din po ba
Working hard for
lagyan ng
something we
thumbnail
don't
like sa
care about
YouTube?
is called stress.
Depende guys kung
Working
saan
hard
ka
for something we
mag-upload
love
Pero
is called
normally
passion.
ako, pag sa Reels, di ba? Sa Reels, nagpapalagay ang thumbnail,
Yes.
Erwin.
For thumbnail, for YT, alam ko kailangan. For TikTok, pwede naman ikaw na yung maghanap ng part to choose the thumbnail that you want to show.
Yeah, YouTube at saka IG Reels,
Yeah,
naglalagay
IG
ng
Reels.
thumbnail.
Ayun.
Pero syempre, by size ng thumbnail ng IG Reels, iba. Yeah.
That's
Did we answer your question, Camille? Yes.
So depending on the platform kung ano yung dimensions nung Depending on the platform kung ano yung dimensions ni
Actually, guys,
thumbnail.
yung Capcut na yan, walang kasing dali, walang kasing kompleto, no?
True.
Sobrang
With
dali.
Filmora, honestly, it's almost the same, pero I find CapCut's much easier para sa akin.
And it's free.
And it's
Filmora,
free.
you have to pay, di ba? And we don't like paying, di ba? I don't like paying.
Para tayo.
Para tayo. Kung makakapagtipid tayo sa isang bagay, titipirin
Why
natin.
not? Oo.
Ang
dami na, kasi even CapCut has a lot of workarounds. Kaya okay na siya. Hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng other applications or video editing
Itong
applications.
tinuro namin, guys, sobrang basic lang. Sobrang basic. Madami kang pwedeng gawin sa CapCut. Pero kasi normally, yung mga clients, ganyan ang pinapagawa. From a long form video, gagawin niya siyang reel. Gagawin niya siyang podcast.
Yeah.
Ganun siya. Gagawin mo siyang teaser video.
Repurposing, kumbaga. Yeah.
Repurposing ang tawag doon. No. But before anything else, I wanna show something also. Thanks for sharing your screen, Erwin. Mag-thank you naman kayo kay Erwin. Guys, mag-thank you kayo kay Erwin.